If you want to see what the end of an era looks like, look at this graph. For 15 years, this was the heartbeat of the internet. It was how we built the modern web. But in December 2025, that heartbeat stopped. Stack Overflow, the site that taught a generation how to code, didn't just decline, it collapsed. At its peak, developers were asking over 200,000 questions a month. Last month, that number plummeted to under 4,000. That is a 98% drop. It is a ghost town. But the developers didn't quit. They just went somewhere else. And where they went might actually be a problem for the future of human intelligence. We all know who the killer is. It's not a mystery. It's the friction. In 2024, if you had a bug, you had to tab out, search Google, click a link, read 3 snarky comments, copy the code, and refactor it. It took 15 minutes. In 2026, you don't even leave your editor. Tools like Cursor and Anti-Gravity aren't just suggesting code anymore. They are agents. They read your entire project context. They don't judge you for asking a stupid question. They just solve it in 4 seconds. The utility argument is over. AI won. But in our rush for efficiency, we destroyed the very mechanism that made the AI smart in the first place. This is the part nobody talks about. We call it the vicious cycle, or model collapse. You see, GPT-5, Claude Opus, Gemini, they were all trained on us. They learned to code by reading those 200,000 questions we used to post on Stack Overflow. But now that we've stopped asking questions, the freshwater source has dried up. We are now entering a phase where AI is being trained on code written by other AIs. Researchers call this model collapse. When an AI trains on synthetic data, it's like making a photocopy of a photocopy. Eventually, the image becomes noise. If Stack Overflow dies, we lose the record of human struggle. We lose the edge cases, the weird bugs, the why behind the how. We are effectively burning the library to keep our houses warm. To be fair, a lot of you aren't sad. Stack Overflow had a reputation. It was famous for toxic moderation. Beginners were scared to post. AI fixed that. Claude doesn't close your ticket. It doesn't downvote you. We traded human judgment for machine empathy. It feels better. It's faster. But it's also lonely. The town square of coding is gone, replaced by millions of private conversations between a developer and a chatbot. We aren't sharing knowledge anymore. We are consuming it. So what happens next? If the public forum is dead, where do the builders go? Some have moved to Discord, but that knowledge is unsearchable. It disappears into the void. Others are building decentralized communities on Blue Sky and Nostr. But the reality? Most of us are just trusting the machine. Stack Overflow isn't just a website. It was a monument to human problem solving. And looking at the data, I think we just abandon it. I want to know your reality. When was the last time you actually posted a question on Stack Overflow? Not read one, posted one. Let me know in the comments. If you want to survive this shift, you need the right tools. Thanks for watching.